Hi, welcome to my fourth camera haul. Recently I bought about 250 cameras. What I didn't really know when I bought them though was that over half of them were just simple plastic point and shoots. But I have sold most of them now and got all of my money back. I paid $600 for everything and I have now sold for about $600. So basically everything that's here and in this box were free. So first we have just some Polaroids and point and shoots and box cameras, stuff and duplicates that I'm still going to sell. These, but I'm going to show you the ones that I'm going to keep. So let's start with this one. It is a Zeiss Icon Contina and it's working just fine. Next we have this. This is a Agfa ISOLI 2 or 3, I don't really remember the moment. This one, for some reason the shutter is opening while cocking the shutter, but otherwise it's working fine. I'm sure I can fix that somewhere. Next we have this. This is a Rollei Rollmod F, and it has some cracks where the screws are, but it is still working. Next we have this Canon QL19E, and this one I haven't tested yet because I don't have the right battery for it, but it is in really good condition. Next, Canon FX, and this one came with a 50mm 1.8 FL lens. Lens is sadly not working right now. After that, now we have the Xenon CE4S. And this one came with a 50mm 1.9 lens, and the camera is working just fine. It has shutter speeds ranging from 2 seconds to 1/2000 of a second. Next we have this. This is a Kodak Fiesta. Just a simple plastic Kodak camera. And here is a Voigtlander Lido CS. This one is also working just fine. Over here we have a Ricoh high color, and this one has a motor drive. The focus ring is stuck right now. Sure, I can fix that. And the camera isn't tested because I don't have the right battery right now, but the motor drive is working. Well, it wasn't really charged now, but it is working. Over here we have a Praktica MicroPi. For some reason this one has a fold up viewfinder. Just a really tiny digital camera. Next, Olympus Trip 35. This one is working, but it is a little bit too dark in here right now to show it. Here is one of the most high quality 110 cameras I've ever seen. It has a telephoto lens, aperture selection, and even a hot shoe. These are just some automatic cameras. They're both working, but this one is in a little bit more of a rough condition. we have a Voigtlander Vito B. Really nice old viewfinder camera, and you have to advance the sprockets for it to work. Here is a Yashica Mimi S, and this one I was really sad to see that the shutter is sticking and not really working. It should be a easy fix though, so it came with all the manuals and everything. Over here is a Polaroid 636 close-up in its original box. I won't take it out of the box first, that will take a while. Next we have this Kodak Disc 3500, and over here we have a Voigtlander Bessic AK, and this one is working fine, as you can see. And we have a digital camera. It is a Canon PowerShot 350. And here we have a Ansco Flipper, simple box camera. And here is a Tamron Adaptall 135mm f2.8, and this one has the Nikon Adaptall mount. Here we have a Bolex E8 movie camera. This one is not working. And also a Bolex 160, which is working. And here is something that I've also decided to save. It is an empty box of Agfa Extra Rapid glass plates, and these are of course for, you guessed it, these glass plate cameras. To go them. This one is a Taro Pinax from Goers. And it is working just fine. This one is a Voigtlander Birdhane. Really cool. This one is of course also working just fine. So now there's only the stuff in the box left, and in here the best cameras are, in my opinion. So start with the less good ones. This one is a broken Kodak camera. And this one is a working one. And this one is really cool. Bellows are of course leaking light, but it doesn't really matter because you can't get film for it anyways. And I was really glad to see that the autographic pen is still on this film. Next we have these Branca Solidas, and these are both rangefinder versions of the Solida 2 and Solida 3. On this one the rangefinder is good, and sadly on this one it's a little bit out of alignment, but both shutters are working perfectly. Next, these is a size icon Contax 515-2, I guess, and a Bob 522. These are in quite rough condition. I also want to save them just to this size icon, and they're really cool cameras. This one is not working though. Here are some more cool cameras. It is the original Agfa Isolette. This one has a stuck focusing wheel and a bent door thing holder, but it is working. And this one, I'm glad to say is working, is the Agfa Isolette L. The only Isolette with a light meter. And the light meter is working. So, and next we have the last 3 cameras here. First we have a Voigtlander Bessa, and this one is working fine. Nice Voigtlander, I really like these. Oh. Next up we have this size icon Contessa. I won't show you for take it out of the camera because it is quite rough to drag it on these rails, but the camera is working. It is a side loading 120 film camera. And lastly, and of course best, is this. This is by far the favorite camera, my favorite camera in this lot. It is a Voigtlander, Voigtlander Vito 3, I mean, and I won't even show you this working because I don't want to use it. This was like the main reason for me to buy this. Oh, well, I guess I will show you it working. Yeah, it's perfect, and the rangefinder is good and everything. So as I said, one of the best cameras, or in my opinion the best camera in this camera deal here. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you guys in the next video.